Today I'll be telling you what is affiliate marketing, is it suitable for you, why does it raise so many eyebrows, and finally, if it is a scam or not. So if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, then keep watching this video till the end. Hello, what's up guys? Sanidhya this side and this is my YouTube channel, helping you with everything related to digital marketing. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping digital marketers and influencers with basic as well as advanced knowledge required to make their campaigns a success. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @newsdigitalmarketing, where I will answer all your digital marketing questions. According to Oxford Dictionary, affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. It is one of the most popular ways of earning passive income. There are 4 components of affiliate marketing. First one is the merchant, who is the creator or the seller of the products. It can be anyone, from Nike to your techie neighbor who sells a digital course on the internet. Literally anyone. Second component is affiliate marketer, also known as affiliate. He is a person who promotes the product to get the commission. Third component is affiliate network or program. An affiliate network acts as an intermediary between publishers and merchant affiliate programs. One of the best examples is Amazon Associates. The network has all the products listed on it. The products can be in any form, physical, digital, or any service. The affiliate can select whatever product he or she wanna promote. Once the affiliate signs up on the network, he or she can create a custom link that will have a custom code specific to the affiliate added on the same. So that whenever a person buys anything by clicking on the affiliate's link, the purchase will be associated with the affiliate and the affiliate will get the commission on the same depending upon the terms of the affiliate network. If there is a product on the internet, then there will be an affiliate program associated to it. If not, then you can mail the company and inquire about the affiliate program or network they are associated with. Fourth component is customer, the person who gets and buys a product from your link. Now that you know what is affiliate marketing and what it comprises of, you must have understood that 3 of the 4 parties earn from a transaction. That is, first one, customer. Okay, just kidding. The merchant and affiliate marketer and affiliate network earn from this particular transaction. This video will not focus on the merchant and affiliate network as to how you can become one of the two and start earning, but instead we'll walk through how you can become an affiliate marketer and earn money. Affiliate marketing is the best way to earn money for online entrepreneurs, bloggers, influencers, or anyone who has any web presence. It is a great option if you don't want to create your own product or service, but you have used products which you think can be useful for your audience. Now that we have talked a lot about affiliate marketing, let me show you some examples of how it is done by some really experienced influencers on the internet. Here is Catherine Manning. She is one of the people whom I follow. In the description of her video, there are the links to the gears she uses to film the video. If you click on any of these and bought something from Amazon, then she will get a commission on the same. Here is another influencer channel of video influencers doing the same in their description. Not just on YouTube video, there are several other ways to promote and recommend a product. Pat Flynn uses his own website to recommend products through the resources section on his website. He also uses webinars to do the same. So now you know it's not that hard to achieve, and probably you have already bought something from an affiliate link. If you are loving this information out of this video, then press the like button so that YouTube would know that it is an informational video and recommend this video to other people as well. Also, I want to clear one thing specifically out. If a person purchases anything from the affiliate link, then it doesn't mean that he has to pay more just because the affiliate will get his commission. It simply means that there will be a cut of the affiliate marketer on the original price of the product. The most important component in affiliate marketing is trust. People will be influenced only if they trust you, and you can make them trust you only if you believe in whatever you are recommending. A lot of affiliate marketers for short-term gain recommend products that they have themselves never used. Just imagine yourself in the shoes of customer here and answer this question. Would you ever believe that influencer if that thing turns out to be broken? No, right? So you have to absolutely trust the product before recommending it to anyone. I hope now you know what affiliate marketing is, and also it is not a scam if done properly. To know more about the affiliate marketing and become a pro at it, you can check out this playlist where I have covered everything there is to affiliate marketing. Click on the next video on affiliate marketing series where I discuss the pros and cons of the affiliate marketing. If you have got any doubt, then please comment below, and at the end of this series I'll take up the questions in a live session, given that I have 1000 followers to go live with. If you feel someone else needs to listen to this or wants to know how to earn money online, then don't forget to forward this video to that person. Until next time, bye bye, or see you in the next video.